Hello, this is Lee Jun-hyuk, starting a new beginning. In this session, I will explain the settings I usually do after installing the Mac. For information related to the Mac installation, please refer to my previous video. First, go into System, Settings, then General, and then you will find AirDrop and Handoff. If you enter here, there is an option to allow handoff between this Mac and iCloud devices. I usually turn this off. What this feature does is, if I copy any text or link on this Mac, it goes into the clipboard and is shared across other Mac devices. Considering privacy and situations where family members use the Mac together, I turn this feature off. Next, go into Trackpad. I have been using a feature where I tap with 3 fingers to check the meaning of a word. For example, if I come across a word I don't know in a web browser, tapping with 3 fingers will display the dictionary, as shown now. The feature I just set up is the one that shows this dictionary. Since I tend to scroll quickly, I increase the speed here. And by default, the Mac's trackpad click is a long press. But I find long pressing uncomfortable, so I adjust this. You can set it up to click by touching like this. Next, if you look at the accessibility section, there is a zoom feature. Here, you can use the scroll gesture with the modifier key to zoom in and out. Please turn this on, and then you can zoom in and out of the screen like this. Now please go to the desktop and dock settings. There is a wallpaper here, and if you click on the wallpaper, it will be displayed like this. However, since I don't use this feature, please change the setting from Always to Stage Manager in the desktop and dock section. If you scroll down, you will see hot corners. But I don't use this hot corners feature, so I will deactivate it like this. Also, right now, there are no sound settings and nothing related to Bluetooth. But since I often use Bluetooth and adjust the volume frequently, I set it to Show Sound in Menu Bar under the View menu. I organize my dock by removing all the icons I don't use, deleting all the unused icons from the dock. Here, if you click the right mouse button or use 2 fingers, options will appear. I use the zoom feature, like this, and you can adjust its size as well. In this state, if you click Command N, Finder will open like this. For Finder, I prefer to have the Downloads folder displayed right away, so I go to Finder Settings, then in the new Finder window, I set the view to Other and select Downloads. Next, I configure it not to show external disks or CDs on the desktop. After doing this, when I reopen Finder, it shows the Downloads folder first. Also, if I press Command 3, I can view it in a hierarchical structure. I like to see it this way, so you can either press Command 3 or click here. In this session, I shared how I personally set up my Mac after installation. I will return with more content next time.